Hi everyone, on this occasion we are proudly presenting an exciting project, a complete line produced entirely by Mengibar. It includes bottle unscrambler, filling, wick assembly inserting, capping, and a full management of packs.
Mengibar has successfully built a complete line for air fresheners, enhancing the manufacturing capabilities of a well-known US company. This includes not only the filler copper monoblock but also various components such as container pre-fitting, wick assembly, cap delivery, packs, container depucking, and packs recirculation. Before the wick and wick holders are fed into the system, they are pre-assembled and integrated into the inline capping production process, ensuring a continuous workflow. Once again, Mengibar has demonstrated exceptional expertise by accomplishing another challenging project.